y'all check it out. I'm out here. I got my new boat and we'll put it on the lake today. So I'll give you a quick little walkthrough. I've got this is a older model. It's a 99 Champion. It's a nice big deck on it. Got rocker rod locker storage right here, and lots of storage. Got a place for a guest, and I've got like my baits up here, and then you got another rod locker or any kind of storage, really. You know, you put your guest rods over here or whatever you need to put in there. Nice 112-pound thrust trolling motor. It's a Minn Kota 4-tracks. And I just got my cheap graphs on right now until I can afford to buy something better. Little hook 5s. It's a dual console. And we got, this is a cooler. Put some ice and stuff in here. And then we got a couple things. I bought some things just to protect the side if I need to. Got a little storage compartment here. And then we got 2 live wells. One there and one over here. And then there's another little storage compartment over there. Looks like my little rubber pieces come ways. I need some adhesive or something. This one on there real good. Anyway, I think it needs to be cleaned out pretty good, I think. And there's that, and then there's the engine bay. So from my other boat, I had this pedestal, which I don't like because it's not really for that, but let me show you the engine bay. You got a 250 Mercury Pro XS. It's the Optimax. It's a 3-blade prop right now, so I probably get a 4-blade. Nice little trailer on it. Picked it up a great deal from a guy I met down in Alabama, and man, it's really a nice little boat. It's a Champion, so it's one of the best riding there is. It's well maintained. It's got a 3-bank charger and 3 batteries, oil and gas, like a 46-gallon tank. It's a huge tank. So this thing rock and rolls, man. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Ready to go put her in the water. Step back, let you get a little picture of that. It's a pretty boat. It's got a few scratches here and there. Transom's been sealed. It's, you know, trailer's needs a little touch up and cleaned up and stuff, and there's a couple little things. The bump boards are great. I feel like this one carpeted is fine, but I think I'm going to replace them because this one does not have one. But that's an easy fix. I'm gonna put it in the water today. So it's, what is this, February 8th? Is it the 8th or 9th? I think it's the 8th. So anyway, I got Dan Galish coming out to join me on my sort of maiden voyage. I did get to test drive it before I bought it and made sure everything checked out, everything was working. There's a few little things that I'll fix, but for the most part it's working great. I did notice that there was a couple of beauty pieces off this motor, and I bought a new one and it completely broke off. And then I got to looking at this side, and then this side broke off too. So I don't know if it's the air coming up through here, is, you know, it's so much air, it just cracked it, man, broke it right off. I was pretty surprised about that. That might be common with these motors though. I'm thinking it is. So anyway, I'm gonna cable up my buoys and get it all ready to go. I may even go ahead and launch it. I'm waiting for Dan, so he can just throw his stuff in and we can go. Yeah, really excited. These things are great because you can hook them onto this, and then you don't have to worry about if you ran into the you know, your dock or whatever, then you don't have to scratch up all your gel coat. There's a few little places here and there. I might just cover them up with some stickers. Nobody will ever know. So anyway, I'll hit you back whenever Dan gets here. Yeah. So I got Dan Galish out here with me. Take my maiden voyage in my boat.
Yeah.
What is today? February 8th?
February 9th.
February 9th. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see what happens.
You log all your trips?
I don't know how to drive this boat yet.